I'll probably document one more month, but it's December 6th. And I've been using the Ordinary Buffet for like literally 1 month. But we are going to do, I guess, 1 more month on my acne scars. So this will be a total of 2 months using the Ordinary Buffet. So this is going to be intense. Either way, I am still testing this for my acne scars because it has been so popular on the internet. So this is what my acne is looking like right now, currently. This is what my acne scarring is looking like right now. So we are basically trying to diminish this because I have a lot of pigmentation. And then right here, of course. So I'm gonna take some before pictures. And acne scars are like the hardest to get rid of. I mean, acne is its whole battle. You can tackle it through diet, through getting tests done, all that kind of stuff. But acne scars, it's strictly topical. I mean, diet, I guess, can help heal faster. But a lot of acne scarring has to do with topical treatments. Anyway, so with that being said, yeah, I'm just going to be taking a before picture and then applying this bad boy for a month. I just washed my face very cleanly and we're going to see if this will help assist in any acne scarring. Oh my gosh, is this Sonia actually putting the serum in her palms or her hands? I'm such a bad person for like applying it directly on my face, the dropper. Hello, so it is the final update. It is 9:51, January 27th. So we are doing the final update of my skin. So yeah, this is what the final product looks like, I guess, of my skin, of using the Buffet for like, I don't know, like a month or a bit more than a month. Obviously, I still have some scarring left. I did not assume that the Buffet was going to like heal acne scars like crazy. I was honestly looking more for radiance, overall glowiness, hydration, and that definitely provides. Like the Buffet is so hydrating. And also something I didn't realize about the Buffet is that they have like built in, well, they put in like not just peptides, which is super good for moisturizing, overall radiance and glowiness, but also they put in probiotics, which is amazing. So that also promotes a really good healthy microbiome. So it could actually help acne to some extent, but it also again will just balance out skin tone, make it glowy, again more moisturized because of the probiotics. So that is amazing. Do I think the Buffet is like a magical, like transformative thing? Obviously my skin still has some issues, but these are a bit more recent breakouts, so that's why my skin is like that. Kind of hard to tell when it comes to, again, active acnes, because these are like active acnes right now. When it comes to acne scars and overall glowiness, like my skin is definitely looking very fresh, very supple and glowy. But yeah, anyway, I guess I'm gonna have to take my after pictures and I can compare the two just to see, again, you guys can see for yourself. This was quite the journey, quite a long time using the Buffet. And again, this is the most expensive product, I believe, on the Ordinary site. But I mean, it is definitely worth it if you are looking for a super moisturizing serum. This is probably like one of the most moisturizing serums I've ever tried compared to hyaluronic acid. Those two are like powerhouses when it comes to making your skin just more bouncier, more hydrated. So like if you are looking for a skincare or any serums that are like super hydrating, then yes, I would recommend the Buffet for sure. But yes, I really am liking the Buffet. I definitely think I will be continuing using this like from now on, honestly, in my skincare routine. I'm really liking it. And yes, I'm just overall very happy. Yeah, I guess I will compare the before and after pictures. And yes, with that being said, I hope you have a good day, good night, wherever you're watching this. Please subscribe if you want to see more of me. I post every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Hit that bell notification so you don't miss the video I post. All my social media links will be linked down below, as well as my second YouTube channel when I release music. It'll mean the world to me. And lots of virtual kisses and hugs. And I will see you in the next video. Okay, peace.